Nigeria's unemployment rate surged to 5.0% in the third quarter of 2023 from 4.2% in the previous quarter. That's according to the latest reports from the National Bureau of Statistics. The NBS, in its labor force report, disclosed that the labor force participation rate measures the share of a country's working age population that is in the labor force. It explains the working age population refers to people aged 15 years and above or actively engaged, stressing that the labor force is the combination of individuals who are employed and those who are unemployed. According to a new methodology adopted by the National Bureau of Statistics, the unemployment rate in Africa's biggest economy, with more than 200 million people, fell from 5.3% in fourth quarter 2020 to 1% in first quarter 2023. Still on the labor market, the Ministry of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy has announced a new initiative dubbed Project 774 LG Connectivity, aimed at generating a minimum of 300 direct jobs while also creating additional job opportunities indirectly through the expansion of digital access facilitated by the federal government. Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, Dr. Bosun Tijani, made the announcement, noted that the project's objective is to provide internet connectivity to all 774 local government areas across the country. He explained that the Project 774 LG Connectivity will be implemented in partnership with the Nigerian Communications Satellites Limited and Galaxy Backbone under the oversight of the Federal Ministry of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, adding that the initiative is in line with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's Renewed Hope agenda and the strategic blueprint of the ministry. The minister further stated that the primary goal of the project is to promote inclusive development and enhance access to digital public infrastructure in government offices nationwide, including remote areas that may have been underserved or unserved in the past. With companies down as a result of the harsh business operating environment, especially in the last 1 year, 857 disengaged private sector finding in their pension contributions, withdrawing 217.4 billion naira from the pension fund assets. In the breakdown of the third quarter 2023 report of the pension industry released by the National Pension Commission, PENCOM, at the weekend, further findings showed that disengaged workers have accessed 43.4 billion naira from their pension savings between third quarter 2022 and Q3 2023 to sustain their livelihood, pending when they will get another job. Cumulatively, though, between 2004, when the contributory pension scheme takes effect, and the third quarter of 2023 is some 217.4 billion naira has so far been the expectation. Billion naira may have been accessed in Q4 2023. The harsh business operating environment, coupled with high inflation rate and low forex volatility, have forced companies to reduce staff strength, thereby throwing more people into the already saturated labor market. With no hope of securing funding to sustain their livelihood during these trying times, the disengaged workers have resorted to their pension contributions by accessing 25% of their pension savings. Supply and demand imbalance in Nigeria's cement market has raised concerns of a potential crisis as production issues at some plants have led to reduced supply while demanding remains high. To address this pressing issue, BUA, a prominent player in the cement industry, has unveiled plans to tackle the supply-demand gap head-on. Their commitment to bringing an additional 6 million tons of cement to the market aims to alleviate the mounting pressure on supply. Meanwhile, scrupulous retailers have been taking advantage of the price discrepancy between Nigeria and neighboring countries engaged in cement smuggling, an activity that circumvents official channels, depriving the governments of its due benefits. Now, the Naira continued its downward trend against the United States dollar at the official and parallel foreign exchange market on Monday, much to the despair of citizens. This was as the parallel segment of the foreign exchange market recorded a new all-time low for the Naira, which depreciated to 1,730 Naira to the US dollar. It was learned that the development-led operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, to raid some Bureau de Change operators outlets in Abuja on Monday, arresting currency traders suspected to be speculating against the Naira. The development came amid recent moves by the Central Bank of Nigeria to boost forex supply through various policy interventions. Currency traders in Lagos and Abuja are quoted the buying price of the dollar at 1,700 Naira and the selling price 1,730 Naira, leaving a profit margin of 30 Naira. According to currency dealers, the Naira depreciation followed a strong demand for dollars by speculators, as well as individuals traveling for business, tourism, education, and health. Meanwhile, operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission reportedly arrested over 50 illegal Bureau de Change operators in Wuse Zone 4, Abuja, over the continued fall of the Naira at the foreign exchange market.